Guys, this is the part 1 of this tutorial for the song Falling in Love with You. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to teach you all a very easy song on the ukulele, so let's begin. So first off, your ukulele should be tuned to the standard tuning of G, C, D, E. The song's name is none other than Falling in Love with You. These are the chords which are going to be used in the song. They are C, E minor, A minor, F and G. If you do not know any of these chords, then you can listen to them and learn them right now. I'm going to teach you, and if you do know, then skip the learning part. Okay, so guys, for C, it's really easy. Just this third fret, last string. This is C. Then E minor is this and this. That is second fret, last string. Then third fret, second string. And then fourth fret, third string. Okay, like a bridge right here. Then we have A minor, which is this, just this. Second fret, first string. Then F is first fret, second string, third string, and in the second fret, first string. Just this and this. For G, the last chord is this and this. That is second fret, 2 fingers here, 1, 2, and this in the third fret. As for the strumming pattern, it's like really easy. So it's just like the C chord. It's C would be 2 times, just like this times wise, like this thing, normal thing. Okay. So the first line of the song is wise man say. Now for that we have for wise, the word wise, we have C chord. Okay. Then for man we have E minor chord. For say we have A minor chord. So first let's practice this. So this is wise man say. Now wise is 2 times. Wise, and then man. Man is E minor, 2 times again. For A minor we have 4 times say, okay? So it's wise man say. Okay. Now moving on, we have only fools rush in. So for only fools, both the words only fools, we have F. So it's F 2 times. Only fools. Only, first we'll say only, then fools. Then for C we have rush. So it's rush. So guys, this was all for the part 1 of this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a like for this video if you liked it and it was helpful for you. Bye.